U.S. stocks closed slightly lower after a choppy session on November 4 as investors prepared for a crucial week in which Americans will elect a new president and the Federal Reserve will announce its policy statement. In light of the Iowa poll, Harris's odds against the Republican former president improved on several betting sites, which many market participants eye as election indicators.
Well, I think the market is really sitting on its hands because it doesn't know to expect from the outcome of tomorrow's election. Yes, Kamala Harris has picked up in the Iowa polls, which has been a bit of a surprise, and I think that's probably why the market is softer. Ditto for the bond yields coming down a little bit, but the race is very, very close, and it'll probably be until the end of this week until we finally know who won.
The S&P 500 lost 16.11 points or 0.28% to end at 5,712.69 points, while the Nasdaq Composite lost 59.94 points or 0.33% to 18,179.98. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 257.59 points or 0.61% to 41,794.60.
Volatility is natural during November of election years. In fact, going back to World War II, the volatility within November has been 50% higher than the average volatility for the other 11 months of an election year. So just normally we'd seem to get it during this election month. However, that said, the market tends to advance close to about 3% in the final 2 months of the year, not really depending on who wins, but rather the fact that the uncertainty has come to an end.
And I don't mind that so much.
Presidential candidates Donald Trump and Kamala Harris both scrambled for an edge in the last full day of a race that polls show as extremely close. It could take days to determine the victor. Trump Media and Technology Group closed sharply higher, bouncing back from early losses of nearly 6%. Earth News. Based on foreign media reports,